Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Spotify payment failed. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. Open the Spotify app and make sure you are logged in to the correct account. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Close Spotify completely and reopen it to refresh the payment screen. Go to your phone settings and set date and time to automatic. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try the payment again. Open your bank app or card provider app and confirm your card is active and not blocked. Verify your card has enough balance for the subscription charge. Check whether your card is allowed for online and international payments. Then enable those options if needed. Confirm the billing address details match the ones registered with your card provider. Open a web browser and go to Spotify.com. Then log into your account. Click Account and open your subscription or your plan section. Select Update Payment Method and re-enter your card details carefully. Try using a different payment method like PayPal if it is available in your country. If you use PayPal, confirm PayPal is linked to a valid card or bank account. Remove any expired or old cards from your Spotify payment methods list. If you are on a family plan, confirm the plan manager is the one updating payment details. Check your email for any message from Spotify about billing verification or failed charges. Make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block payments. If you are on desktop, clear your browser cache and cookies for Spotify.com. Try the payment again from a different device, such as another phone or a computer. If the error started after changing countries, update your Spotify country setting and payment region accordingly. Avoid using prepaid or virtual cards if your bank restricts subscription payments. Contact your bank and ask if they are declining the charge and request them to allow Spotify transactions. Wait 10 to 15 minutes if there were multiple failed attempts, because temporary security blocks can happen. Go to Spotify support and check the status page for any ongoing billing issues. Use Spotify support chat or email and provide the error message, your country, and the last 4 digits of your card. After updating the payment, confirm your plan shows active and the next billing date is visible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.